As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, so I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200, BOO BFPM-Li8, and the Performance Series 4-burner B08P692BBX. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. The Grill2Go X200 is definitely the portable option. It's only 20 pounds and designed for tailgating or camping. The Performance Series, on the other hand, is a full-sized cart grill, weighing around 85 pounds.
Right, portability is a big factor for me. But how do they compare in terms of cooking space?
Well, the Grill2Go has a cooking surface of 200 square inches. The Performance Series blows it out of the water with 475 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a 130 square inch warming rack. That's a huge difference.
Wow, yeah, that is a big difference. So, the Performance Series is for serious grilling then?
Absolutely. It's got 4 burners putting out 36,000 BTUs, plus a 10,000 BTU side burner for sauces. The Grill2Go only has one 9,500 BTU burner.
Okay, so power and space go to the Performance Series. What about the cooking technology?
The Grill2Go uses Charbroil's TRU-Infrared system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food evenly. The Performance Series uses a more standard convectional cooking system.
Interesting. I've heard good things about infrared. What about construction and durability?
Both seem pretty solid. The Grill2Go has a die-cast firebox and aluminum lid, while the Performance Series features stainless steel burners and porcelain-coated cast iron grates. The Performance Series also comes with a heavy-duty grill cover, which is a nice bonus.
Yeah, that's a plus. What about ignition?
The Grill2Go has a push-button ignition. The Performance Series has an electric push-to-start ignition. Both are pretty convenient.
Okay, so to recap, the Grill2Go is great for portability and uses TRU-Infrared, but the Performance Series offers way more cooking space and power, plus a grill cover.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you need. If you're mostly grilling on the go, the Grill2Go is your best bet. If you're looking for a backyard grill, the Performance Series is a solid choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.